In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Word file to PDF fast. Let's begin. Alright, so I have some text here within my page, and let's say that I want to save it to PDF. You'll go to the top left, then select File. After choosing File, go to Save As. And then it's going to give you a list of locations in which you can save your document. So you can either save it on this PC, or you can browse. You're going to select Browse. From here, you're going to be prompted to choose a location where you want to save the document. Let's say that I want to save it in Pictures. And then you can also change the file name. Now, here's the most important part. Where it says Save As Type, you're going to select the drop-down option. And then you're going to choose PDF, because this is going to convert the Word document into a PDF. Then once you're ready, head over to the right side here and choose Save. Just a quick reminder, if you found this video helpful, then consider subscribing, because it really helps the channel out. Now let's continue. Alright, so here's my PDF, and if I double click on it, we are going to see how it looks. And there you go. We have successfully exported our Word file to a PDF.